So, this was our attempt and an effort to bring an insight into a very different vision of celebrating life and the idea of having New Year when no one else is celebrating it, no other culture is celebrating it. Rosh Hashanah shall always be remembered by all of us who believe in the presence of God, that we all have been sent in this world for a purpose. That is the principle, that is the message that we wished to spread through this video, through the reveling mood of celebrating New Year with all our Jewish brothers and sisters. So happy Rosh Hashanah.